What's up, fam, and welcome to this episode of Rex's Photo Booth Reviews and Tutorials. We have a very exciting episode for you today as we're going to be talking about Live Sync. Live Sync is going to help you save a lot of time and help you manage your events. If this is the first time on the channel, don't forget, like, comment, and subscribe. So let's talk about Live Sync. What is Live Sync? Live Sync is exactly what it sounds like. Live Sync allows you to make changes in your photo booth software and it will sync up directly with your camera or your iPad, right? Booth.events is a server-based software for your photo booth, which means it is configured on your computer through a browser. And when Live Sync would be applicable is it would be great in two very common cases. The first one is many photo boothers do drop-off events. Drop-off events are a great source of income, and how Live Sync comes into play is when a attendant would drop off the booth and the guest would look at the artwork and say, hey, I know originally I wanted black, but I changed my mind, I want white. No problem. You just go back to the laptop, right? You could be in your office, you can make the changes and it would instantly show up on the selfie booth, on the iPad, without ever having to refresh, download, or restart. Because the person who's setting up your booth, the attendant, may not know how to design or have no idea what's going on with the artwork. And that can be changed very easily from the comfort of your office or from your phone, anywhere. As long as you can log onto the server, you can make that change and it would update live, like instantly. And I'm gonna show you how it works. So for example, you did one set of artwork with, and this happens a lot, with the date of the event, but then, so it would be like April 16th, but they say, oh, you know what? My daughter's birthday is actually on the 20th, so let's put the 20th, even though that's like a Tuesday or something. So that's one example, is when you do drop-offs. The second one is if you have a permanent install, for example, at a bar and it's downtown LA, it's far, it's an hour away, and the bartender or the manager says, hey, you know, we ran a promotion in March for St. Patrick's Day, and that promotion, 2-for-1 shots for Goldschlager, is over. We're now in April, and let's do a different promotion for April. So instead of getting in your car, driving down to the permanent install, and physically logging into the iPad, right, your iPad booth, you can get to your desk and change the artwork, and the very next session would automatically update. It doesn't require anyone to touch the iPad. It doesn't require someone to go down. Doesn't require a refresh. It happens live, hence Live Sync. So if you guys want to see what it looks like, stay tuned because I'm going to do this live for you. So, how does live sync work? Let me show you. So currently, I have a session here running in booth.events, and we're going to go ahead and take just a single 4x6 portrait photo. This is the artwork right here, and it says Happy Birthday Kayla, 4/16/2024 in white. So we're going to come over here and we're going to do a full session. So here we go. Start. Takes the photo, and right there, that mimics exactly what we had over here. Happy Birthday Kayla, 4/16/2024 in white. Then this is the beauty of live sync. So the client says, you know what, I really don't like the white. I changed my mind even though I approved it. I know you guys, your attendant came, or not attendant, drop-off person came and set up the booth. Everything was good, very polite, and they've left. So what can we do to resolve this? Obviously, we don't want to drive back as they had approved the artwork, but it's okay. With booth.events, you can easily make the changes, and we are now in the template editor on the laptop in our office. We're going to select the white, Happy Birthday Kayla, 4/16/24, and we're going to delete that. I have already designed new artwork that the client wanted. The client now wants it to say Happy Birthday Kayla, 4/2024 in pink. And right after I updated that, it's saved automatically. Okay, so this is on my laptop, this is in my office, and I didn't touch the iPad at all. So this was the last session, right? The original session I took, and it has Happy Birthday Kayla, 4/16/2024 in white. The client now wants it to say Happy Birthday Kayla, 4/20/24 in pink. Made the update here. You saw that it's saved automatically here. We're going to go and do the next session. I'm going to press touch here to start. Take a photo, and bam, look at that. It is now pink, and it says Happy Birthday Kayla, 4/20/24, and it updated. Hence, live sync is absolutely seamless. No one had to refresh the event. No one had to exit out of the app. No one had to restart the iPad. As soon as the update or the edit was done here and it was saved, the very next session had the new artwork. So that is exactly how live sync works. I hope you have this in your software as well. And as you guys know, Arexis Photo Booth reviews and tutorials is not a review unless we have a bonus hack. And in the comments below, I'm going to leave my affiliate link for booth.events if you guys want to trial it. Live sync is real and it absolutely works. It is a game changer. It is an event saver. And most of all, it is a time saver. So I hope you guys enjoyed this episode. Happy boothing, everybody.